In any accounting firm or CPA firm, it is very important to track the time you are spending on your client's work, or you should be able to measure the effort you are putting on your client work. So with BrightReturn, you can track the time you are spending on your client work. At the same time, you would be able to raise the invoice accordingly. To raise the invoice, the first thing is you need to create the client billing. To create the client billing, you need to click on the administration from the left menu. After that, you need to click on the client billing. Once you click on the client billing, then you need to click on the plus button. And from there, you'll actually land up to this page where you need to enter your profile name. Once I enter the profile name, it'll actually take me to the next page where I'm supposed to fill the basic details, which I want to show on the billing or invoice which I'll generate. Here I need to add my email ID, my address, my logo, and I can set up the due date before which I want to receive the payment from the client. If you want to receive the payment and track the payment from the Brighton itself, then you need to integrate your payment gateway. To integrate your payment gateway, you need to click on this and click here to integrate the payment gateway. Once you click the link, you'll land up to this page where you need to enter your PayPal ID and its secret in order to integrate with BrightReturn. After integrating your PayPal with BrightReturn, you need to come back to this page and complete the details and hit the next and follow the further process. Once you have completed the client billing profile, you are all set to generate the invoice. To generate the invoice, you need to click on the billing from the left menu. After clicking left menu, you'll land up to this page. To generate the invoice, you need to click on the generate invoice button. Once you click on this, you'll land up to this page where you need to select the client you want to raise the invoice for. Then you need to select the project you want to invoice for and click on the continue button. If you have already added the details, client details, the details would come here by default. If not, then you'll have to add the client details from here. You can write the subject and if you have any custom message, you can write here. Or if you have any conditions, you can mention here. If you want to send a reminder, you can click yes. And here it will actually fetch out your hourly billing rate from the project itself. However, you can actually enter the final amount. If you wish to give some discount, you can give discount in dollar. So I choose 10%. And if there's any tax, you can add the tax. If you have any other charges like online payment charges, you would be able to add from here. And then either you can save and close if you want to send to a client later, or you can send it to a client. Once you save and send, this invoice would be sent to client's registered email ID. Now here you can see that total invoices raised for this profile is 1, total cancel invoice is 0. Here other important details you would be able to track like what is the invoice number, client name, who has raised this invoice, when did you raise invoice, where did you share this invoice, what is the current status. If it is a paid, then it will be showing paid. If it is a pending, if it is not paid, it will be showing pending. The total amount is $910 and the balance as of now it's $910. To track the payment, you can click on the payment. It'll show you if any payment has been received. So if you have received any payment from the invoices you have raised, it'll actually show you here. And the top 3 boxes will tell you the payment source. So if you have selected the payment from the PayPal, it'll show you the PayPal payment. If it is being collected from other mode like cash, check, it'll actually show into that mode. Here it'll actually show you the total collection amount from all the sources. Also, if you have collected the amount not online but cash, you can mark it as paid from here. You can select the payment method. You can give the reference number. You can mention who has received this, and you can mention all payment has been received. So now you can see the status has been changed to paid and the balance is 0. And if you go to payment, you'll get to see the total payment from PayPal is 0. Collection through other mode is $910, and total collection from all sources, which will be equal $910. And here the mode is cash. Thank you.